back to another video, guys. Today we're building stuff with Jenga.
And now, give it to bro.
We're building stuff with Jenga. We're about to make something. Hey, what's my hobby? My hobby. Sorry guys for the bean because he's dead. Subscribe to him. Don't subscribe to him. This should be the new fruit of Grow Garden. Guys, we're about to... guys, let's make the cross. I'm about to... Oh, guys! We dropped it. Yeah, we made the cross, guys. I'm gonna make this cross myself. I forgot what this is. Yo, guys, we're making cross. We're making a cross.
We're making cross.
Bro, I can't hold the phone like this.
Yeah, I'm finished. Who likes my cross?
Yeah.
Well, you know what he said? I said, who likes my cross? And he said, not me. Bro, that's disrespectful.
Yeah, guys, we made the cross, guys.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Hey, guys, we're at school right now, bro. Guys, this is gonna be the cosmetic I'm gonna be making. And get really loud. Hey, yo, say bye to the camera. Go like this.
Bye.